Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you what's going into my liver detox lunch. It's packed with nourishing ingredients that support liver health and detoxification. Let me walk you through what's in my power bowl and how each ingredient helps to detox and support my liver. Now in my power bowl I've got quinoa. Now this plant-based protein is rich in fibre, which helps the liver remove toxins by supporting digestion and regulating blood sugar levels. Cauliflower, a cruciferous vegetable, supports liver detoxification by stimulating detox enzymes, aiding in the breakdown and removal of toxins. It's also a good source of choline, an essential nutrient for liver health that helps prevent fat accumulation in the liver, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Now, being rich in antioxidants and fibre, it promotes overall liver health and digestive function. And it's high in antioxidants like, my beetroot. Let's move on to the beetroot. Now, the beetroot is high in antioxidants like betaine. Now, beetroot helps reduce inflammation and supports the liver in processing fats and toxins. And the dandelion greens, as you can see here, I've just chopped them raw. They're known for their ability to detoxify the liver, and it helps stimulate bile production, which is essential for digestion and toxin removal. And I have a dressing with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic and turmeric. Now the lemon juice helps stimulate liver enzymes and aids in digestion, helping the liver break down food more efficiently. Olive oil is a healthy fat that helps the liver by reducing inflammation and improving its overall function. The garlic in the dressing boosts the liver's production of detoxification enzymes, helping the liver work more efficiently to rid the body of harmful substances. And last but not least, turmeric. It's one of my favourites because it's an anti-inflammatory powerhouse and protects the liver by reducing oxidative stress and supporting healthy bile production. So these nourishing ingredients, I toss them together to create this lovely liver cleanse power bowl. Now, in addition to these fantastic ingredients, I'm also taking two powerful herbs during my liver detox, and that's dandelion root and turmeric. Now, dandelion helps the liver produce bile and it aids in detoxification, while turmeric is an anti-inflammatory herb that protects the liver from damage and supports its overall health. Now, if you're interested in sourcing the organic herbs I'm using, head over to naturalworkshops.com. I'll put the link in the description below. However, please note, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have any pre-existing medical conditions or on medications, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider before starting any detox or using herbs like these. Now, I've also included the recipe for my liver cleanse power bowl in the description below, so feel free to check it out and try making it yourself. And if you're interested in finding natural solutions to maintaining good health, I'd love for you to come and join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and we have fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. Just click the link in the description below, and you'll also find the link to naturalworkshops.com to source all your organic and well-crafted herbs. And once again, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So in the meantime, be happy, Stay healthy and always be wise.